season 12, there will be a lot of reasons to celebrate. We promise you that. And having more parties, at least in our line of thinking, means more piñatas. The suspense of waiting for that killer candy drop makes kids go crazy. Besides, the piñata can act as a centerpiece or icon, maybe even the mascot, if you will, of any party or any celebration. Helping us bring that mascot to our studio scene today is Studio 5 Party and Family Fun contributor Celeste Whitney. She believes nearly every party should have one. Everybody welcome Celeste to the show. Yay! You look so glam.
Oh, thanks.
You look gorgeous. So, here's where I'm kind of having a mind trip a little bit. Every single party should have a piñata?
Well, why not?
Like my upcoming 20th birthday?
Yeah, for sure, for sure. You're in mind both.
Why do you love the piñata?
Okay, so I just think that there's a reason it's been around for so long and all over the world. And there's no other icon that just screams fantastic celebration as a piñata just naturally does.
You're going homemade on us today, though.
Oh, of course, of course.
Are these easy to DIY?
Yes and no.
She hesitates.
There are easy ones and there are super hard ones.
Okay, but you're helping us today.
Yes, and I'll tell you all of them.
Where should we start?
Okay, so I think that there's 3 parts of a piñata. So the bones are what's first.
Okay.
Or the, structure.
Yeah.
So this one are these, okay?
Look at this, cool.
Yeah, it's your basic template.
Kind of the geometric shape.
Yes.
And the way you've grouped them is really impactful.
Oh yeah, I think it works better in a group than just one.
So more than one?
Yeah, totally.
No piñata shall go alone.
Right.
Yes.
Well, some can go alone. That one's.
Oh.
He's okay by himself.
He can hold his own. Okay.
Whatever. Okay, so I made a template, and this is on your website.
Thank you.
And there's a couple for this one as well.
Okay.
So you just cut out these little pieces, if you can see this.
Uh-huh. What is this?
It's just the template. Oh, this is a little foam core.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You can totally just use regular cardboard.
Okay.
I think this is a lot easier to cut.
Okay.
And you can even do it with scissors.
Nice.
And so you just tape them together in the shape and just fold it up, tape it all together.
And this printable allows us to do that.
So you can do that in, 30 minutes, 20 minutes,
nice.
Maybe.
Okay.
Okay, so this one's bones.
There's the bones.
And then the other more traditional one is the paper mache, which is so messy. So this one you can do at your couch. That one, please don't do at your couch.
Back away.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that one's the traditional. You get balloons, which I literally got huge balloons, tied them together in a dog.
Is this the cutest dog you've ever seen? I think so.
Oh, thanks.
So balloons, paper mache, and then just shape it into the form.
3 layers. My concoction for the glue substance that you use was 1 part flour, 3 parts water.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
A little more water.
And then I squeezed in a bunch of glue, not a bunch, maybe like a tablespoon.
Okay.
And something to deter the bugs.
Oh.
So it's like bug food, you know what I mean?
I've never made a
flour and
piñata.
water.
I wouldn't know this.
Water. So either people use salt or like essential oils or even some Clorox bleach.
Just to say stay away.
Just a little bit, yeah. Yep. And then I just spray painted him.
He's cute.
Yes, which is the next step.
The spray paint?
The spray paint. I skipped ahead. So the next part is making it pretty.
You have to dress it up, right?
How do you make it pretty? Yes. So normally, traditionally, it's tissue paper cut in strips.
Right.
With little notches cut out.
The fringe factor.
To make the fringe.
Yeah.
And then you just put it on in strips. So I did the same thing. I just used a ribbon on these 2.
Instead of paper?
Yeah, which a bigger ribbon would make it go a lot faster.
Okay.
So I did that with this guy.
I have to think
they're huge.
I have to think the ribbon's easier to work with in that flimsy,
and it's already
thin.
a strip.
Right.
Right? You're not cutting strips first.
This is how her brain works, and this is why we love her. Yes. Why has nobody thought of this before? Ribbon.
Ribbon.
Okay.
So then another easy way, if you want to, this is more if you have more time than money. This one and this one took up a lot of time.
Okay.
But something like this is so fast.
What's this?
This is just one solid, this is actually it.
What?
One solid piece of foil. You can do wrapping paper.
Okay.
This particular one, if I did wrapping paper, I would just wrap it like a gift.
Nice.
Yeah, and just tape it, hot glue it anywhere.
I love the shine factor.
I loved it so much. But to give it a little texture, you have to scrunch it, which feels so horrible. Or therapeutic, you tell me.
It almost goes against everything that's in our fiber, right?
Yes.
And in our beings.
This one was just glitter paper.
Okay.
I just totally covered the whole thing with glitter paper.
Does it shed?
No, not at all.
Because I came home with a bell dress from Costco last week, and that was a big mistake. Yeah.
Yes, I have been known to throw some.
Look at that, so cool. And I love,
right?
again, the grouping factor. Just that alone makes a huge party statement.
Like at a wedding even, over the food table. Or even any type of girl party, you're a gym, whatever.
Who would have thought a pinata could live at a wedding? But when Celeste Whitney is behind the idea, absolutely. Tell us about this cloud.
Okay, so this is another way to have the fringe with just a different way of doing it. I took a little circle hole punch and punched a whole bunch of regular paper. I mean, this is like printer paper. So you can't run out. You don't need to know how much to get ahead of time. Yeah. And then I just layered them from bottom to top.
Cute.
And then I did the same technique as this, but I didn't have a pattern. I just kind of freehanded one and then the back. And then you just do along the edges with cardboard.
I love the streamers coming out. It's a happy rain cloud.
Yes.
It's a happy white rain cloud.
Yes. So the rain also is a function.
What?
So the third part of the pinata is breaking it open.
I was going to say we have not made mention of candy yet.
So I just can't. I can't do the bat and little kids with blindfolded. I just can't do it.
I have a story that tells back to my junior high school years that you don't want to hear.
Oh my
I'll spare you. But it involved a metal bat and my dear friend Jennifer's forehead. She was fine. No. She was fine, but it definitely was a party killer. I have to say that.
See, that's not happy.
Yeah, no.
But you still want the surprise and happiness. And I don't know if this is allowed.
So
So the game here is there's a flap. And all of these are, I cut little slits in the cardboard. That's it. And then I just poked the streamers through the little slits.
So we're pulling?
And only, pick one. And only one will actually open it. And the rest do that.
It's like a trap door.
Right.
Oh, this would be fun. Wouldn't this be fun? Yeah.
If I may, I don't know if I trust this. I trust the pinata.
Go ahead.
Just not the.
Go ahead.
If
Give it to us.
Ah!
There it comes. I love that. I love that.
Now we'll have to clean it up. Yes.
And it adds some suspense. Okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay. Tell us about this really quickly.
So these little baby ones are just cups.
Yes.
Put together.
Yes.
And you can buy cute cups to match any theme.
Right.
But I just had the Costco white ones, so I just kind of spray painted the bottom. I just held it like this and went shh.
You gave it a little ombre.
For like 2 seconds.
Okay.
You hot glue them together. If you want the bottom to pull out, just like that, so everyone has their own individual one.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, you just cut a little circle and then put some tissue paper. I just got a little tiny bit of tissue paper and put it in here. And the little part you cut out, you glue the string to.
And that's your pull.
And that's your pull. It'll kind of force out the bottom.
So everybody can be a winner.
So you can just or you can just tell the kids to break them open like a pinata.
Can I pull?
No, well, yes. You can.
No, don't touch that one.
I don't want the whole thing.
Okay. Super cute. Fun ideas. Thank you so much. The pinata, a party staple. Celeste Whitney, everybody. Celeste Whitney, very fun. Thank you so much.